In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tool to increase productivity and communication. Let's start in Gmail, where a clean inbox saves hours. Create clear labels. Think clients, finance, content, or urgent, so messages have a home. Build filters to auto-sort new emails into those labels based on sender, keywords, or subject lines, and star the messages you need to act on soon. If you send the same replies often, set up templates so you can answer in seconds instead of typing from scratch. And when you're done with an email, archive it rather than deleting. That keeps your mailbox lean while preserving searchability. For extra control, enable undo send in settings so you can retract a message for a few seconds after clicking send, and turn on keyboard shortcuts to fly through triage. Next, open Google Calendar and time block your day. Create separate calendars for work, personal life, and content, and color code them so your schedule is scannable at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routines you do every week, and set reminders, 10 minutes or even an hour before, so nothing sneaks up on you. Use focus time blocks to reserve distraction-free periods and protect them from meetings. This approach beats a long to-do list because your plan already lives on your timeline. In Google Drive, set up main folders like Clients, Marketing, Admin, and Finance, and stick to a consistent file naming pattern such as date plus description. Share folders instead of individual files to keep access simple as projects grow, and choose the right permission level, viewer, commenter, or editor for each collaborator. If you work with a team, shared drives keep ownership centralized and handoffs seamless. In Google Docs, start from templates for proposals, reports, or SOPs so formatting is done for you. Switch to suggesting mode for edits that are easy to accept or reject, and use comments to ask questions without changing the text. Add headings to build a clickable outline, and insert checklists to track action items. It's perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. In Google Sheets, create trackers for content, expenses, and leads.